This is my Zeroids Zintar robot. I finally finished it. It's a little toy that was made in the 60s, and this is my recreation of it. It's recreated from just images online. This is just a demo video. There will be a separate build video showing how it's put together. Just a quick look around at it. You got 3 flashing LEDs in the front, self-flashing LEDs, posable arms, posable hands. The hands are held on by magnets. You could conceivably put every type hands on there. All the chrome parts are painted. This this here is a multicolored print, which is glued onto the rest of the body. I'll drive it around. It's a little Coke can RC controller electronics, the controller and the little receiver boards inside there. 2 N20 motors that came out of this set I got on Amazon. I believe they're like 100 RPM at 6 volts is what they were rated at. Well, here I'm going to show it operating. One thing I'm not happy about is the jerking up and down motion. I'll explain what causes that in a minute. I think what causes that is the fact that these little drive wheels, basically there's 8 teeth on there, so it's like an octagon. So we're an octagon wheel, not round. And I think that's what's causing the bouncing up and down. I tried to make some TPU tracks out of it, but I wasn't having much success at it. I might revisit that later, but just didn't have much. It wasn't much better than this, actually, for some reason. But I might revisit that later. But I'll go ahead and put this out now. See if there's anything else I wanted to point out. The head's just glued on. It's not posable. There's supposed to be some graphics up here, but I don't have a color, just normal 2D printer, or I would have made some and glued them in there, but somebody else could do that. A lot of these parts are just inserts. The painted parts are printed in different colors to give a color variation. Well, there's going to be a separate build video, so I'm going to make that right now. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested in building it, watch the build video.